Quick SEO tip for you. Ideally, you want to be creating content around what questions people are asking Google in your industry. But how do you know what questions people are searching for in Google? Here's a few ways you can find out. So one way you can find out is to just go to plain old Google, type in a keyword phrase, such as, in this case, workwear for building sites. We've got a client who sells workwear. And then once you've searched for that, you scroll down and you'll see this area, people also ask, and this is on Google. Now, at the moment, there's only 4, but if you go over to here and you start to click into these and out of them, you'll see that there's more. And you keep doing that until you get a kind of sentence or a bunch of keywords that you think, right, we haven't kind of covered that in our blog. We will cover that keyword or around that kind of question phrase. And so this will give you lots of ideas of questions you can answer within your blog post. And as I say, if you keep clicking into these, Google just keeps suggesting more and more. So there should be something in here that you can cover as a piece of content, either on your blog or in a social media video or something like that, that will answer a question that people are searching online. Another place you can go to find out questions that people are asking in your niche is Answer the Public. Now, Neil Patel has just bought this and is now running this site, but it works in a similar way as it always did. Put your brand or topic in here, obviously cover your country and your language, and then your search. For this example, I'm just going to put in restaurant. So after some time, this site will then give you the search volume, the search difficulty. So this is how hard it is to rank for keywords around this term, the cost per click, and the paid difficulty. And as you can see, if you scroll down, it gives you lots of questions that people are asking in that particular niche. And this can spark off some ideas of content you can create that can cover some of these terms or around about those terms. Some of them won't be relevant, but it will definitely give you lots of ideas. As you can see, there's lots of charts and things like that that will really help with you generating questions and queries that you can cover in your content.